All right, we're working on the Ford F-150 Lariat 5.4 Triton. And we're replacing this. That piece over there. This bumper. And right now I'm just mocking up the new bumper. So, and I do have this in properly now. Alright, so we're just mocking this up. It turned out these are going to have quite a gap in there to make it work correctly. I'm not sure what all happened. I just know this front end all got pushed in. And so now I have to do things differently to make it work. First thing I had to really do, I thought this was the good side over here, but it wasn't. It's off also. So I had to establish a center line and then work from there to get the brackets in the correct place. I think this side's a little lower. It can be picked up. Or you can shim these. I haven't shimmed them yet. To go like this with your bumper, and that would probably bring this up. That's why I'm calling it a mock-up. I just think this is about all I'm going to do today. We do have new pieces in here. I believe after I get the bumper set, I'll have to pull it off and then put this piece in that goes here in this area. So, yeah, it's going to look a lot better. You know, we'll get it looking good as new again. It's not going to be easy. It's going to take a labor. Probably going to have to take things off and put them back on a few times. Hopefully not too many. But that's how you get it done correctly. So, this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.